In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the Compare tool on TradingView step by step, 2025. Whether you're checking how one stock moves against another, exploring correlations between crypto pairs, or just curious how an index performs versus a single asset, the Compare tool is a quick way to visualize those relationships on a single chart. First, open TradingView and head to any chart you want to use as your primary reference. This can be any symbol or market. Pick the time frame and chart type you're comfortable with so the comparison reflects the exact view you care about. The process is the same across markets, and you don't need any special layout to get started. Next, look at the top toolbar. You'll see an option labeled Compare, or sometimes an add symbol icon that looks like a plus sign. They both lead to the same place. Click that, and a search bar will pop up. This is where you'll enter the symbol you want to compare against your current chart. TradingView supports stocks, crypto, forex pairs, indexes, and more, so you can compare across a wide range of assets. As you type, you'll see results grouped by category and exchange. If multiple listings appear, choose the one that matches the market or exchange you actually track, since different exchanges can have different pricing. After you click the symbol in the search results, TradingView will immediately overlay it on your chart. You'll notice the added symbol appears with a distinct color, often as a line, so you can clearly differentiate it from your main chart. Depending on your layout, you might see a separate scale on the right, or the lines may align to show percentage movement over time. Either way, the goal is to make it easy to spot relative strength and correlation at a glance. If things feel cramped, remember that zooming or panning the chart will update both series together, helping you focus on the period that matters most. To keep track of what you're seeing, check the legend near the top area of the chart. It lists the active symbols with their colors and current values, so you always know which line belongs to which asset. If the view becomes too busy, removing a symbol is just as straightforward as adding one. Click the X next to the symbol's name in the legend, and it disappears from the chart without affecting your primary setup. That's it. You've added a comparison symbol, seen how it overlays on your chart, and learned how to remove it just as easily. If this video helped, please like, subscribe, and share. Thanks for watching.